Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through visibility settings in BeSync'd. Visibility settings control what pages and information your various team member roles have access to across your organization.
You can access the visibility settings from the Settings menu, or, since our organization is new, we can find a link right in the Quick Start menu. On the left sidebar, you'll see the various roles that belong to your organization. And selecting a role allows you to define what visibility that role has. So starting with the Cross-Role Visibility tab, we can see that the CEO role has everything checked. Next, the Visibility Page tab shows different dashboard page visibility permissions we can assign. Here, we can control which pages each role has access to. So, for the CEO role, we can see that they are granted access to all pages. And if we want to grant access to reports, then we can do so. And I guess we had better for the CEO. However, when we grant access to pages, we'll get this important reminder that report pages do not implement cross-role visibility controls.
This means that even with restricted cross-role visibility, a user may be able to see information within reports that they may not have access to according to cross-role visibility permissions.
All right, now let's configure a role which requires some hierarchical permissions, such as this Creative Director role. Now for this role, we may want them to be able to view work update information for only roles that they actually oversee, such as maybe the copywriters and designers in this example. So when I check this Updates Visible checkbox, what this is saying is that I want this Creative Director role to be able to view all of the work update entries provided by team members with the role of senior copywriter or graphic designers. Now you may notice that the checkbox is already selected for the Creative Director role that we currently have selected. This is because the system allows team members to see information from users with the same role. If we want this Creative Director to be able to manage other team members' work update entries, then we can check the corresponding Manage Entries checkboxes here. Enabling Manage Entries permission means that now this Creative Director can edit the text, change the customer and project assignment, as well as the number of hours assigned to each work update entry provided by team members with these roles. Finally, another important point to keep in mind is that organization owners always have full access to information from every role page and report, regardless of the settings in the visibility page.
So that's the visibility page in a nutshell. I'll get the other roles set. Then next up, we're going to be scheduling work updates for our team member roles on the Update Types page. See you there.